navigating that final precision cut, working the blade through a challenging angle. Your grip steady, your movements precise, completely in command. This level of protection and ease can be yours for under $30. And manually inserting screws one after another? Not necessary. There's a device that delivers them quickly, delivers them consistently, without clogs, without hassle, simply finished. We're featuring 10 carpentry implements you'll desire for your grip, your workspace, and your upcoming project. To improve control, precision, and most importantly, safety during your cuts, the MilesCraft Grabber Pro is something you'll want in your toolkit. Designed for use with table saws, router tables, joiners, and even bandsaws, this adjustable push block makes handling your workpieces easier and safer. One of the best features? The multi-leg design, which keeps the Grabber Pro in contact with both sides of the saw blade, helping reduce kickback. The angle handles give you superior control, letting you guide your piece through the cut without worrying about your fingers getting too close. Plus, with adjustable legs, you can customize the Grabber Pro to suit any job, even cutting strips as small as 1/8 in thick. The ergonomic handle and elevated base keep your hands safely away from the cutting surface while maintaining constant pressure on the workpiece to prevent binding. At around $30, the Grabber Pro provides added security, control, and precision, making it a must-have for anyone from DIY enthusiasts to pros. Ever find yourself wishing for an extra set of hands while working on a project? The Craig MultiPurpose project blocks are like that extra help, giving you a solid elevated workspace wherever you need it. Whether you're routing, sanding, cutting, or just finishing up, these blocks make everything a little easier by lifting your project off the surface. What's cool about them is how versatile they are. The retractable painter's points make finishing a breeze, while the GripMax anti-slip surfaces keep your workpiece secure, so you don't have to constantly readjust. Plus, the hexagon shape ensures the blocks won't roll around on you, no matter what. Built to last, these blocks can hold up to 200 pounds with all 4 pucks in place, so you can trust them for those heavy-duty jobs. At $19, they're a practical and durable addition to your workshop that'll save you time and keep your projects moving smoothly. You know when you wish there was a tool that could just handle everything? Well, that's exactly what the Log Wizard does. Just attach it to your chainsaw and boom, you've got a debarka, planer, notcher, and post sharpener all in one. It's a serious time saver and honestly a bit of a game changer when you're working on different projects. Those 3 1/4 and planer blades give you a nice, wide cutting surface, which is awesome whether you're working on log homes, fences, or even carving. The best part? You can keep sharpening the blades, so you won't have to keep buying new ones. And the drum design? Super smart. Swapping out blades is a breeze, saving you some serious time and frustration. And it takes less than 10 minutes to install, weighs under 3 pounds, and just makes life easier. At about $269, it's a good investment, especially if you're prepping logs before milling, managing pine beetles, or even making wood shavings for the garden. So yeah, if you're looking to cut down on tools and time, this thing might just be what you need. If you've ever worked on cabinetry, you know how many steps go into installing a face frame. The Pony Cabinet Claw makes that process a whole lot simpler. Instead of juggling multiple clamps and tools, this one does it all in one go. It helps you tighten, align, pre-drill, and fasten your face frame styles all while staying in place. Pretty convenient, right? Made from high-quality aluminum with rubber pads, this tool ensures your cabinet stays safe and scratch-free during the installation. The durability is impressive too, thanks to the all-metal construction and upgraded aluminum die-cast drill guide. The Cabinet Claw lasts up to 10 times longer than most other clamps. What's also great is the adjustable capacity. It works on styles between 1 and 1/2 in and 2 in wide, with a maximum opening of 4 7/16 in, which covers most cabinetry sizes. At around $33, it's a solid time-saving investment for anyone looking to make cabinetry projects faster and more efficient without sacrificing the professional finish. Alright,
Let's talk workhorses, or in this case, speed horses. If you've ever wrestled with clunky saw horses that take forever to set up, the Bora Speedhorse is a total upgrade. Setup and tear down take just seconds. Literally, you just drop the legs down and you're ready to go. No twisting, no fidgeting, no wasted time. Each one can handle up to 1,500 pounds, which gives you a solid, stable base even for heavy-duty jobs. That's 200 pounds more than most saw horses out there. And when it's time to pack up, just pull the levers. No need to fold the legs in any special order. Quick and simple. The top's longer too, which means better stability. And it's already pre-drilled, so you can screw in a 2x4 as a sacrificial top. That small detail actually saves your tools from damage in the long run. If you're moving between job sites or working in tight spaces, this kind of speed and strength really makes a difference. Here's a sleek little tool that brings control and comfort into one smart design. The Bosch 12VD cordless palm router. What makes it stand out is how light, compact, and easy it feels in your hands. Whether you're trimming edges or working on fine details, it stays balanced and steady. This is the world's first 12V brushless palm router built for pros. And that brushless motor plays a big role. It keeps the body compact while giving it solid power. Since it's cordless, you've got full freedom to move around your workspace without any cords slowing you down. It's got a smart depth system too. You can quickly switch between rough and fine depth settings, which helps you dial things in just right. It works with wood and plastic and fits 6 to 8 millimeters collets. Plus, it's part of Bosch's 12VT Pro lineup, so it runs on any of their 12VT batteries. It's simple, smooth, and designed for real comfort, whether you're routing on a job site or in your own shop. If you've ever installed decking and struggled to keep spacing even or avoid surface screws ruining the look, this little tool might feel like a lifesaver. The Camo Pro X1 is made specifically for treated lumber, but works great with composite and PVC boards too. What it does is guide 2 edge screws in at just the right angle so the top of your deck stays clean. No screw head showing. And since it fits boards from 5 1/4 to 5 3/4 wide, it works with most common sizes. You also get automatic 1/16 in spacing, so no more eyeballing or messing around with spacers. The screws it's designed for have a special tip that pulls material out as it drills, which helps reduce splitting and cracking. It gives you a strong hold with a clean look. Just a heads up though, you'll need camo edge screws and their driver bit, which usually comes in the pack with the screws. If you're aiming for a neat, smooth deck surface without extra hassle, this tool is a smart pickup. Now let's switch gears to something simple but super handy. The Rockwell center marking tool isn't flashy, but once you use it, it's one of those things you'll reach for all the time. You can pop a regular pencil into the center hole, twist the tool so it hugs the board, then slide it down to draw a perfect center line. Great for boards up to 1 and 1/2 in thick. It sounds small, but it saves time and removes the guesswork, especially if you've been eyeballing lines before. Need to mark an offset instead of center line? Just flip it around. It's got clearly marked notches from 1/16 into 1/2 in, which helps when installing moldings or lining up hardware evenly. And when you're done, just stick it to your toolbox or workbench. It's got a built-in magnet for easy storage. Simple tool, solid results. So here's something every pro or even a serious DIYer will appreciate. The Pamfast auto feed screw system takes the slow one screw at a time routine and makes it way faster, easier, and honestly a lot less frustrating. It works with a wide range of fasteners, whether you're dealing with subfloors, cement board, decking, or drywall. What makes it stand out is this smooth advancement tech. That's just a fancy way to say feed screws cleanly every time without those annoying jams or misfeeds that slow you down. It really shows up in bigger jobs where every second counts. The screw belts hold 40% more fasteners, which means fewer reloads and more continuous work. You can also switch from a long stand-up tool to a compact handheld version in under a minute. No extra tools needed. That's a small thing, but it makes a big difference on a job where you're constantly moving between tasks. It's strong, smart, and built to work across the whole house.
If you've ever wished for an extra hand while putting together cabinets or framing a box, this is it. The MilesCraft Square Clamp Kit makes it super easy to keep your corners square and your panels in place while you fasten things up. At the center of it is an 8x8 in assembly square. It's strong but lightweight, and you can use it with the included cam clamps or with your own bar clamps, F-clamps, or fence clamps. You've also got built-in holes and notches, so everything fits clean and tight, no matter what setup you're using. The cam lever is one of those small features that makes a big difference. Just slide it up, press the lever, and it locks in place. That gives you consistent pressure without having to mess with knobs or screws. And the TPE clamp pads mean no slipping or scratches on your wood. There are also 3/4 inch supports built in to keep longer boards flat and even. So if you're building furniture, cabinets, or even just framing a picture, this kit keeps everything lined up clean and square without any wobble. That was all about the 10 woodworking tools you must see.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.